Welcome to the Four Seasons Fort Lauderdale Hotel and Residences, the ultimate combination of luxury living with the best of air, land, and sea at your fingertips. These beautiful residences range from 1 to 4 bedrooms, with floor plans starting at 780 square feet and increasing to over 6,000 square feet, featuring both oceanfront and intercoastal views. Synonymous with the Four Seasons are amazing concierge services, including a beach butler, pre-arrival provisioning, housekeeping, 24-hour valet, and much more. The amenities are too numerous to list, but include an oceanfront deck with 2 swimming pools, private cabanas, an indoor-outdoor cafe and pool bar, along with 24-hour in-residence dining from the signature restaurant. This exclusive property is located less than a mile from the renowned dining and shopping district of Las Olas Boulevard, as well as the newly proposed Las Olas Marina, which can accommodate super yachts up to 250 feet. With 3 international airports nearby and Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport conveniently located 11 miles away, you truly have luxury living at its best. Please contact us today for availability and pricing.